Okay, here we got 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 11. Can anybody guess what we're going to get here?
I'm going to go with quadratic.
Okay, got some guesses. All right, let's take a look. We got 2, 4. I need to bounce back up for this one. 3, 6. 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 11.
Well, I can definitely tell you there's a correlation.
Okay, so even though this one's not going to be perfect, it still has a line of best fit. So the answer is going to be linear.
Oh.
Remember, linear is a possibility. And just again, 4 possibilities: linear, quadratic, exponential, or no correlation.
That's a positive
I'm sorry, relationships is what I meant to say. Yeah, on the worksheet you're going to have to put both, if it's positive or if it's negative, and what kind of curve of best fit it is.